Oh my God, they did it. They finally did it. They finally released this damn thing.
At last the gods remove cock from fucking ass!
Finally, Elegoo decided to release the Jupiter 2 resin printer. I've been waiting for this one for quite some time and following it for a little while, and was disappointed at the release date. And when we didn't actually see it come out, I was starting to believe it wasn't gonna be released or be delayed in some fashion where we'll never see it.
First the fat boys bring up, now this. I couldn't believe it.
We now have a release date for it, and can't wait to see what this do. I have a resin 3D printer that I'm not currently using, the Anycubic Photon M3 Max. That one was a little disappointing, had some issues using that one, but hopefully I can replace it with this one. I'm gonna go ahead and go over some of the features I'm mostly excited for, and that's including, of course, the big volume, which all Jupiters had, but some features that kind of failed to make it into resin, like auto leveling and heated vac chambers and AI, but mostly the quick release film and the actual build plate, how it doesn't have any upper surface areas where resin get trapped in. Those are two things I'm like really excited about with the Jupiter 2, because those were some pain points for me in doing resin printing. Another thing is the auto resin feeding and uninterrupted printing. That looks very promising. We're gonna have to get our hands on it to see how it works, but I'm actually really excited for that. And again, the quick swap design for easy film replacement, that was painful to do. So I'm actually very excited. And then the build volume is actually slightly bigger than the old Jupiter 2. And you can see some of these updated controls with the auto leveling and also the manual leveling as well. The resolution being almost 3 times more than the old Jupiter 2 is actually very welcome as well. Yeah, so like I said, very excited. Like the LCD screen increase, the smart heating tank, very, very much excited for that. Some of these are actually at very much quality of life stuff for resin printing, which makes entry a little bit more bearable, like how FDM has gotten. And so far, from what I can see, the Jupiter 2 is going to cost around $1,300. And if it wasn't enough for the Jupiter 2 to be releasing, the Bambu Lab have what it looks like to be the X2D releasing pretty soon. We got a teaser video for that, and this is supposed to be the replacement to the X1 Carbon. I mean, we in the 3D printer community, we just coming out full guns blazing right now.
We're coming out! Guns blazing!
I actually knew the X1 Carbon was on borrowed time from the P2S coming out. It was almost like the X1 Carbon had no more other purpose after the P2S came out. So I figured they would have to either retire the X series or extend the X series to a new product. But the X2D is kind of a mid-tier option now in between the P series and the H series. And for me, I'm not too interested in this since I have the H2D and the H2C. Also, looking like the X2D is more of a Bowden-based system. Not too sure of that. But let me know your thoughts in the comments on this one. If that's something you're interested in. I guess if it's a great addition to the Bambu Lab series, being having a entry level, mid tier, and more advanced tier system here. But if you do have the H series, if this is something you're interested in, I just wanted to get this quick video out, just showcasing the Jupiter 2, which I'm very interested in, and X2D for a new Bambu printer. Just showcasing a lot of these, how a lot of these companies has thrown out a lot of new 3D printers, especially this year. It looks like the advancement in 3D printing is going to keep scaling up in the near future. But thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you are interested in these videos. Hit the notification bell just to get notified when I'm releasing new videos. And again, thanks for watching.